How do you stand out in an industry where there are other players? In a business where there are other players, standing out among competitors is as crucial as it is difficult. You have done the hard work to have unique and quality offering. But how do you cut through and be the go-to option for your clients and customers? I realized this the hard way when I took over Schindler India operation a decade ago. Having come from the elevator industry, I was familiar with the workings and behaviors. But joining a relatively new player and switching a job from a leader was not easy to play the same game. Getting the strategy and the pitch right was very important in order for me and my newly formed Schindler team to penetrate geographically and among the majors. To help get on the right track, these were some of the key areas as a team we focused on to become a leader in our field, which happened in 10 years. Number one, work out what you do best and do it well. Schindler had rolled out a machine room-less elevator in a market which was predominantly machine room market. It was important that we talk on machine room-less product features and how they would benefit the customers, then trying to fight competition which had a machine room product. The good news was we did a good job in enabling broadcast communication with dispersed and frontline workers. Of course, we have multiple ways we went about doing this, but the core of our business is built on one simple idea: making it effortless for the employees to receive business critical communication. Number two, build your personal connect. This is crucial and will go a long way to helping you stand out. Especially, it works very well in the Indian industry, elevator industry especially. It's important to make an active role in how you are portrayed online and how that relates to your company. I had the advantage of knowing many influencers in the industry, so access to opportunities was relatively easy. Of course, there were promises of great product and services made. I had to ensure my team does not let me down on the same. Schindler started to build a good reputation within the elevator industry. 3. Be a winner. Got some wins on board even if it pinched the bottom line. Entered the infrastructure market, which was perceived to be more challenging because of its complexities in execution. As a result, we started increasing our bookings, doubling the rate of market, thereby increasing the portfolio in our service base, which was the key to elevator manufacture. 4. Get a flagship customer or customers. We set a target of getting business for 30% of major customers in 3 years. The key here was to become preferred vendor to majors who are examples or idols in the industry. This was a big focus for us in earlier stages. Having some well-known brand names behind us had opened more doors and legitimized our product in the market. 5. Provide exceptional customer experience. Always be a company that people want to work with. This was set as an important element of our vision. Be it a preferred company to work for in the elevator industry. We listen to what our customers have to say so you understand where their problems are, how you can work together and solve them. We invited customers to address our people. This helped every person in Schindler to become customer-centric. Every business is operating in a competitive industry, so it's important to face it head on and devise strategies that will help you to stand out.